Hi everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and today I have for you an hourglass figure workout. That means we're going to be working into the abs, into the side abs most importantly. This is follow along and completely equipment free. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, go ahead, do it right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video, and also drop me a comment down below if there's anything you would like to see or give me any feedback. I'll be giving modifications and advancements throughout so you can select which level you want to work at. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to come into is a wood chopper. So I will literally want you to imagine like you've got an axe and we are chopping wood. So you're going to reach the hands up to the side of the body, clasp the hands together. Now extend through the opposite side. Let's wood chop. We go down, lift, down, lift. So it is literally like you've got that axe and you are chopping the wood that is at the side of yourself. So reach, chop, reach, chop. As you bring the arms to the side, really crunch into the side body. Reach, bend the knee, reach, bend the knee. Inhale, exhale, we're just getting that heart rate nice and high, getting that waistline ready to work. Reach, chop, reach, chop. You have another 5 more of these. Keep going. 2. Modification, just bring it slower. Now we've done one side, we've got to go other side. So switch up, put the hands to the side, chop, lift, lift, reach, chop. So you really want to bend into that knee. Sweep those hands right to the side of the body. Inhale, exhale, don't hold the breath. If you want it harder, you want to get that heart rate higher, go faster. Modification, just get a little bit slower. All the way down. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Down to the floor. So I'm using a mat today, but just make sure you've got carpet or something underneath your knees. You're going to come here into a plank preparation. Hands under the shoulders, knees are underneath the hips, eye line to the floor. Now what you're going to do is tuck the toes under and then lift the knees up and hold. Now stay right there. I want you to think about squeezing your belly button up towards your spine. Inhale the breath in, exhale the breath away. Now modification, you can always rest the knees, lift them up. So if you're in the advancement, you're feeling strong today, stay right here. Modification, tap the knees, lift the knees. Tap the knees, lift the knees. How are you feeling today? Do you have those knees off? If you do, good job. If you're tapping and lifting these, good job, keep going. You've got another 8 seconds, whatever choice you are in, you're going to keep doing that for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now you're going to bring both the forearms down towards the floor, back on towards your knees. Incline the hips forward, so you've got one straight line, crown of the head down towards your knees. Now rotate right fingertips to left elbow, so you've got the letter L, and then roll, and we're going to side plank at this point. Bring the arm nice and high. Underneath knees bent. Tap the hip, lift all the way up. So this is your modified side plank here. Great one, absolutely great one for really giving you the hourglass figure, really getting into your abs. If you're watching this right now and you're thinking, Abby, that is far too easy for me, I can do a side plank. Then go ahead, take it. Both legs extend, hips lift. All the way down, all the way up, squeeze and lift. Keep going, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wherever you are, I want you to keep moving. If you're in the modified version, you've got the underneath knee down to the floor. You've got the top leg extended, squeeze up and lift. You've got this down, push all the way up. Now this shoulder needs to be stacked over the top of your elbow here. All the way down, press up, lift. We've got 3 more in full range. You've got it, tap, push all the way up and lift. You can do it 2 more, tap that hip, all the way up and lift. 1 more, you're going to tap the hip, then you're going to lift it up and hold. So if you've got the knee on the floor, stay there, you can do it. If you've got both legs extended, stay up here. We're going to add a little lift with this hip. Up, up, absolutely fabulous. But trying down that waistline, Getting you that waist you dreamed of. Give me 10, 9, 8. You got it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give everything a quick shake off. Now you're going to spin opposite way. So now you're going to bring your hands back underneath your shoulders. Knees come back underneath your hip. You've got that tabletop position again. Back in towards that preparation plank. Now tuck the toes under. Inhale. Exhale. Keep the body still. Just lift the knees and hold. You should feel it straight away in your abdominals. You want your knees 1 millimeter away from the floor. You want your abs engaged. I want you to pull your belly button right now up to the spine. Roll the shoulders away from your ears. Shoulders over the top of the wrist. If you're in that modification, you're tapping and lifting. You're tapping and lifting. If you're in your advancement, you are here. Stay nice and strong. I know. You're also feeling those thighs as well. Inhale. Exhale wherever you are. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. We're going to go side plank now, other side. So bring both forearms to the floor and then come back on towards your knees. I love getting in my side plank this way. It just means I've got good technique. Opposite hand. Left fingertips to right elbow. Create the letter L when you look down and then roll. Side plank. Reach that hand nice and high. Modification. You are here. You've got that underneath knee down towards the floor. Top hand high. All the way down. All the way up and lift. All the way down. All the way up. Squeeze and lift. So you should really feel it in the underneath of your waist. So as you drive the hips away from the floor, really engage here, underneath the waist, tap. If you're in that advancement, you know where you are. You've got both those legs extended. You're in a side plank. Maybe you've never tried a side plank before. Give it a go today. What's the worst that can happen? Nobody's there with you, watching you. We're on the internet right now. All the way up, squeeze, lift. Keep going, 3 more. All the way up, lift. You've got 2 more. Up and lift, 1 more. Now you're going to up and hold. Same as first side, stay here. Modification is here. Advancement, you are all the way in your side plank. Further advancement, if you think this is way too easy, you can always lift that top leg off and start to lift the hips up and up. This side hip to the ceiling, pulse it, lift it, you've got it. Give me 10, 9, 8, let it burn, 7, 6, 5 lifts, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. We have 1 more exercise to go. So you're going to bring yourself down towards the floor. Now I want you to bring your hands, reach them around the heels. Inhaling in, exhale, lift. Up and hold. Now stay right here. Keep the legs still. If you want the modification, the hands are behind the head to support the neck. Reach those hands down to your heels. Now try to tap to your left heel back to the center. Now right heel back to the center. Now try to keep your legs nice and still to really isolate into the side of the waist. If you're in the modification, you could always be taking a break in between rounds or bring the hands behind the head. If not, keep going. Don't give in. All the way around, tap. Back to the center. 8 more. It's over in 8. It is now over in 7. Oh my gosh, it's now over in 6. Reach around to that heel. Just give me 5 more. 4 more. Center 3. Center 2. Center 1 more. And well done. Give your knees a little hug in towards the chest. Rock inside the side. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself all the way up and forwards. And well done in your Hourglass figure workout today. If you've got any comments or feedback, drop them down below in the comments section. Also head back to my YouTube homepage if you'd like to work on something else right now. We got thigh workouts, we got booty workouts, more ab workouts, arm workouts, warm up, cool down, anything you want, head back there. Make sure you hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.